Hey all, another quick video, this time talking about a few handy applications that you need to have on your TVs or Fire Stick, and I'll make it quick. The first one is a very tiny app that helps you share files and applications. It's called Localsend, and I'm also attaching the website link where you can download this application from. It works with Windows, Linux, Mac, Android, and it's basically just like Quick Share or Nearby Share. I'm just sharing the next file you need to install. It's called Aptoide, which again I will add in the description. So what Aptoide does is it is similar to a Play Store, and in some cases you can find applications that are not available on Play Store and use it directly from Aptoide. So one thing you have to note is Aptoide sometimes will need a mouse. So if it is not working, if you're not able to navigate, you can use a mouse and you're good to go. Go ahead and type in the next application that you need, which is called MLUSB mounter. So type in MLUSB and you will be able to find the application. So the one you have to download is MLUSB mounter file manager. Go ahead and install the application. For me it is update. If you haven't installed it, it'll ask for install. Go ahead and go through the process. Once you install, you are good to go. You can add in any pen drive or hard drives and it will detect. So directly go ahead and open the application. So once you're in, you can see on the top left your USB is detected. You can open or play any files directly from your video players, and you have to enable the MLFS mount, which is required for your USB or hard drive to detect it. So that's pretty much it, and you'll be able to play any movies from your hard drives directly. And I really hope this video helps, and I'll see you guys in another one.